world of pro-level trading at Fission 4 Pips.
Welcome back. So to all new traders who want to start this journey of their trading business, you want to start this as a career, you want to start this profession, okay, no problem. I'll give you guys a good head start in the processes that you have to put in place, as the process that you have to go through to start your career, to start your trading business. Okay? Now, trading tools, just like a mason have his tools, a laborer, engineer. Now, is anybody who have a traditional, cultural, conventional profession out there, they need their tools. Us as traders, as investors in financial markets, our tools are our phone and our laptop. We need tools too. Nice? Our phone and our laptop are our tools. You have your Wi-Fi, you have your internet. We don't need to include that in there, right? You are wrong. You should know what's happening. You should know what's going on. So, trading tools, phone, laptop. Now, some people might not have a laptop. You can start with your phone alone. Shouldn't deter you from starting to learn. But along the way, get a laptop. A Windows 11, Windows 10, whatever. It don't need to be no big expensive laptop. Just a normal, nice laptop. It's just a view trading view on your phone, a little too small. So we just recommend a laptop. It could be a desktop, a laptop, whatever, but a big screen so you can see the big picture, the macro view of the financial graph. So you can break it down properly so you can make informed and educated decision based on the perceived direction you expect price to go. If you're watching with your phone, it wouldn't be able to do the kind of things like you'll be able to do on a laptop with TradingView. Alright, so you want to pay attention to that. You want to be able to have a nice user-friendly, framework where you can view the charts properly, break it down nicely, know what phase of the market you're in, know where you came from with price, know where price can be heading, and line yourself up. So phone, laptop. Next thing, after you have that in place, you need your apps. You need your apps. The apps, once persons come in to learn from Fission 4 Pips, the apps you need MT4, you need MT5, you need TradingView, of course. You need Forex Factory. That's where we get the news events. Right? That's the Forex calendar. We have Binance. Nice. That's how we move around our crypto to fund accounts and withdraw back to our crypto wallet, because the broker that we use is crypto in and crypto out. We have Zoom. We have Telegram. We have Discord. Nice. Zoom is where we do our classes, record all our classes. Telegram is where we store the recording. Discord is where we have the main communities where we chat and interact and all of that. Nice. And we have Re.Pay. It's a crypto card where once you're in Trinidad, you can now turn your crypto into fiat cash for yourself. So you don't need to get caught up and robbed by anyone who you send your money to get crypto, you didn't get it. You send your money to sell your crypto, you didn't get it. You have full control in your own hand. Even though if you sell it to another user, you'll get more TT dollars for it. Like somebody will pay you $8. So if you want to sell $1,000 USDT to somebody, they will pay you $8,000. But if you want to have full control for yourself and don't have to deal with anyone, you can put it on your crypto card and, well, you get normal bank rate. So whatever the US dollar stands at, that is what you can go to the ATM and get. Nice? So your choice. So yeah, you have your phone, your laptop, you have your apps. Nice. Next thing, you got a broker account, live account, demo account. You put it in place one time. You could start live with a small amount and practice with a live account one time just to kind of detach yourself from your, being emotional with your money and all of that. Nice, you get real world experience. Everything you win is real, everything you lose is real. It kind of helps you get better as you're learning. Some people use demo. They try to use it realistically, but in real life, it's not real money. So they just trade crazy. And they find they're doing well in the demo. And when they go to their live, they find they're making a lot of mistakes. So I recommend live demo accounts. That means start with a small account. You don't care if you lose that. It's $50, $60, $100. That's just practice mode. Nice. When you get your hands dirty, you get your feet wet, you know how to follow a trading plan, manage your money, you know how to, do your stuff properly. You see a level of mark improvement in how you're taking your trades. Then you can add more money onto the account and start a trade and flow from there. You get the rhythm. Yeah, you get the rhythm. Next thing, education, knowledge, understanding, and wisdom. Need right education too. Have a lot of wrong education. get the right education. Where you're going to get the right education? At Fishing for Pips. I will be a coach and mentor, and I will show you how I have done it, how I get into the New York Stock Exchange, how I become friends with professional traders, licensed traders, hedge fund, investment banks, all that I learned from them, all that I learned from all the professionals on the inside, knowledge will be given onto you. You're going to be better off than people who out here years not even knowing what you're going to learn from us. All right? And best of all, this is more important than any one of those things. Mentoring. Don't come in here and try to be self-taught. It sounds like a noble thing. Yeah, you don't need nobody. If you could learn by yourself. This is a very different industry. This industry, don't care what you think, what you feel. If you could learn by yourself, you don't need nobody. You're smart enough. You have a PhD, a degree, a master's. You have some background in finance. This market don't care about that. All those financial stuff out there is totally different from the financial markets. When you have to go up against brokers, market makers, the algorithms in financial markets, all the manipulations, I don't care if you come from a accounting background, if you're a bank teller, a bank manager, it doesn't care, right? None of them knows what is really taking place there. Mentoring is very important. And these are your tools for you to start your trading business. Nice. Phone, laptop, your apps, you got your broker, your live demo account, you got your education, you got your mentoring. That's how you started. Guys, welcome to Fishing for Pips. See you guys on board, learning with us. If you guys like this information, share, like, comment. Let us know what you would like to see next. Helping you guys to build a foundation. Foundation to finish. Amateur to expert. Nice. Novice to professional. We're going to help you guys get on the right road. I'm a local guy from right here in Trinidad and Tobago. Nice. Paying it forward for the people who are now trying to find their way. I've been around here 8 years now. Pretty successful. Do very well for myself. And I bless a lot of people coming up, sharing my knowledge with them. So if you want to learn, you want to start your journey, definitely reach out to us. www.fishingforpips.com and reach out to me on 1-868-282-2194. Yeah? See you guys on the next one.
Stay sharp. Subscribe to Fishin' for Pips for institutional insight.